Hi, I'm David Cantor, and I'm here to tell you about my law firm, Cantor Crane. And myself and my law partner, Aaron Crane, are both attorneys who represent victims of accidents or injury. Now, I'm here to tell you why you want to hire us versus somebody else. First of all, I met Aaron about 10 years ago when we worked together doing accident and injury cases, and I was so impressed, I eventually became his partner. Now, in regard to our jury trial experience, between the two of us, we have over 200 jury trials of all different types, criminal, civil, you name it, we've done it. Now, why is that important? Because in criminal cases, I myself am a certified criminal law specialist. I've had to argue beyond a reasonable doubt for people that were accused of very bad things. However, in civil cases, we're arguing only a preponderance of the evidence, meaning I only have to show it's more likely than not in order to win your case. And you are not accused of something bad, you're accused of nothing. You're the victim. The other person's accused, and so is their insurance company. Now, in regard to having trial experience, what's important is a lot of attorneys can prove 51% and win a case, but you have to prove proportion of fault. That means if there's a $100,000 verdict, yet the jury says, well, I think the other guy's 51% at fault. That means you're 49% at fault, and you will only recover $51,000. So when we get a $100,000 verdict, we want all $100,000. But let's say it's 90% the other guy's at fault. That's still $90,000 versus $51,000. And that's where trial skill matters. Most other law firms, the lawyers you're going to talk to, have done no more than 10 jury trials. We are different. Now, we're not a mill. What does that mean? We don't churn and burn cases. We don't advertise on TV. We're not on bus stops. We're not on billboards, which personally I find to be somewhat embarrassing. And I'll tell you, there's a lot of insurance adjusters who feel the same way, a lot of insurance attorneys, and a lot of juries who don't like the fact that somebody's using one of those TV lawyers with the TV jingles. We're just professional lawyers who are known throughout the community. Now, because we've done so many jury trials and because we have a good reputation, insurance companies tend to settle faster and for larger amounts with us because they know we're not afraid to go to trial. Meaning if they won't give us the number we want, we'll go to trial. It's the old saying, if you don't give me what I want, I'll just take it from you. Now, you hear about these discounted fees or reduced fee lawyers, and why shouldn't I just go to them? They charge 25%, whereas you guys charge 33%. Well, I'll give you an example. If they settle a case for $60,000, you'll get $45,000. But if that same case can be settled for $75,000, you would have gotten $50,000. If it could have been settled for $100,000, you would have gotten $66,000. So it matters who you use. Also on trials, it's known out there, and there's a perception, maybe unfair, that a lot of these other firms will not go to trial. That if they have to file for trial, that they'd rather walk away from the case and give it to somebody else. Many times we inherit cases from other law firms, meaning somebody will come in and say, they wouldn't go to trial on my case. We'll take it, we'll go to trial. We don't fear anybody. Trial is our world. Now, if you want to know how to shop for a law firm, go to our website at cantorcrane.com, and you're going to see we have comparison questions to ask when shopping for a lawyer. Pull those questions and take them with you. Take them to interview us, take them to interview the other guys, because we're confident after you go through those questions, you'll choose us over the other guys. So if you need an accident or injury lawyer, meaning you've been a victim or somebody you know or care about has been a victim, give us a call. We are available 24 hours a day. We have a representative who will talk to you. We'll set you for a free consultation. It won't cost you a dime. And in fact, if we pick up your case, we do it on contingency fee where it won't cost you a penny unless we recover. No fee unless we recover. We look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.